If your device is equipped with a finisher that features folding capabilities, copied paper can be folded. Several different folding options are available. A Z-fold will fold the paper into 3 sections. Saddle fold outputs copied paper that is folded in half. Saddle C-fold outputs copied paper that's been divided into 3 sections and then folded inward in the shape of a C. The finishing options available will depend on the options you have installed, the paper size, and the paper type. To begin, press the Copy button on the home screen and then select Finishing. Select the desired folding type and press Next. Saddle Fold and Saddle C-fold allow for multiple sheets to be folded together. Specify the number of sheets with the numeric keypad or the plus and minus buttons. Next, select the folding method if necessary for your type of fold. For Saddle C-fold options, you can tap the Help button to display an explanation of the various folding methods. Saddle C-fold also has the additional option to set the folding width automatically or manually. After making your selections, press OK. After returning to the finishing screen, press OK again to return to the Copy home screen. Your desired folding option has been enabled.